G'day traders, Sam here from Trade to Prosper to give you another update. All right, we've talked about this many times before, and if you really look at this chart, it's actually works really well. So what we had was, in my opinion, let's see, this was an ABC correction, give or take. So we had the macro move, and we had this ABC correction, and when we did that ABC correction, it was actually right. It did work perfectly in terms of Fibonacci. So let's have a look again. Can't recall if I did that. Where are we? Give a take. And if you, it's 1.14. So it did work. And then if you look at the Fibonacci, it looks like the one was acting resistance support. It's all lined up. Look at that 0.236 perfectly, acting as resistance. So that's what we have. Um, Now, we also have other means of measurements. Previous all-time high. We've got the weekly level here. So we'll just make it darker, thicker. So that's our weekly level. So it's likely to, if it was to come back down, that will probably retest that. We get a lot of Fibonacci as well. And my expectations is where we're going to find problems is, well, let me go back a step. The fact that it moved this way, to me, it confirms that this is a wedge. So otherwise, we would have seen something pull back or something like that. The fact that it responded in such a way tells me that this is a descending wedge, and I had my wicks perfectly aligned, and then I got my secondary line as well. So this is working pretty nice from a technical aspect. We had our main resistance level here, and we broken it decisively. So we went above it, and now if it was to be tested, it's perfect. But I don't think that's going to happen because based on the sentiments of the market, it might just keep going. Just a little bull flag up, and then here we might be overextended. Let's have a look at the 1 hour RSI. Doesn't mean it can't keep going, and yeah, so it's pretty high. But as I said, it doesn't mean it can't keep going. So there we go. Um, a pullback would be nice to this weekly level. Previous resistance here, and the stop losses in this area would have been triggered if there was any stop losses right above there. That would have been our level because all the shorts came in here. Hold on, there we go. So all our shorts came in at these levels. So that would have been taken. The stop losses would have been taken out. Liquidity has been taken, but there is no pin bar or anything like that. So and it's holding. So there is no negative bearishness. I would not look for shorting here at all. If it came down like that, relatively with a pin bar, then I'll look to short for this level and then back up. But that didn't take place. So the next liquidity level is here. That's our next liquidity, all the stop losses for the shorts. And I've got a template that I usually do. Where is it? And so price is likely to go there, the next. So whatever it does, it's likely to come here. And in my opinion, this is where the stops are triggered. So and the next liquidity is there. So the chances are that the whales come in here, or the retail moves up. 30K is going to be the significant level. That is going to be a significant level. I do feel like that will come down. And then we have this type of motion. If it breaks decisively and hits this previous high, then I still feel like it will come back down. But I don't think the market's going to sell off from a descending wedge perspective. That is the first target. That is the second target. So that is our second target there, 29.83, and this level is our value area as well. So if it breaks above that, it's pretty strong. Then we've got this level here, and then we've got the previous high. Let me have a check. So this is going to break up more, I think. Where we go? There we go. And yeah, I'm bullish. Let's look at it on a 12-hour. I've just put some trend lines in there. Look, here's where we're going to find some potential barrier. Now, I did my Fibonacci. These are the Fibonacci levels. Based on this structure, these are the measured moves. And we've got this trend line. So 1.414 is likely to be resistance. If we get anything, so we might just keep going, hit that level, and then come back down. And then it'll be interesting to see what takes place. Because this could be an offshoot of, and we could still go up like that as well. We might still be here for a while, potentially, just going sideways before we break up. All right. I did say in the past that this, to me, is a fractal of some sort. We had a key level, and you saw how it went. Once it didn't break up, but once you break this wedge, it took a while, but it did break up, and then you go to the next level, and then we get this head and shoulders. So we have this resistance level, and then it comes back down. Our main resistances I've spoken about in other charts. Look at my previous videos. I'll talk about the formations, inverted head and shoulders, or this cup and handle targets. So it's on my previous video. Have a look at that. But I think Bitcoin is about to keep going. So let's have a quick look. It's likely to break up. And I'm going to leave it at that. And good luck. Talk to you soon. Cheers.